Gates open, they're up and racing. Leica in Manila as expected draws for your lead. Throwing a challenge on the outside. Shimmer Joe is sneaking in down on the inside is Cat May. Then comes Dashing. Dagger Luke comes next, followed by Getting Personal. Fearless moving up alongside is entry number 12 Renzi stays. Dancing Slew, Hepburn next in line, Apple Splash, Taste and See, and trailing the group is Reporter as they head towards the 1,000-meter mark. Leica in Manila still setting the pace, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Shimmer Joe remains in second, down in third. Dagger Luke running in fourth by the rail cut. May and Dory outside is Dashing, then followed now by Renzi Stays. Next in line, entry number 2, Getting Personal, Dancing Slew. Apple Splash by the rail. Fearless moving up. Hepburn is sneaking in down on the inside is Reporter, and Taste and See is running at the tail of the field past the last 600. Now we have 3 runners are fighting it out for the lead. Cat May takes the lead by about 3/4 of a length lead. Dagger Luke in second, Dashing moving up. Renzi Stays also arriving to the race too as they turn for home. Cat May this time by about 3 lengths. Running in second is Dashing by the rail. Leica in Manila and Dory outside. Moving up is Renzi Stays with the last 150. Cat May this time by about 6 lengths. Running in second, Dashing, and moving up now on the outside Renzi Stays. And finally Cat May. Second Renzi Stays, Dashing, Leica in Manila, rather number 11. Apple Splash took peep, then comes Hepburn, Getting Personal, Reporter, Dancing Slew, number 1, Dagger Luke, Taste and See, and